In the previous class, we had already discussed about few of the nutrients, that is carbohydrates, fats and proteins we had discussed. So now we will discuss about the vitamins. So vitamins are known as protective nutrients because they help our body to fight with the diseases. So that is why they are known as protective nutrients, because they protect from disease. They protect our body from disease and keeps us healthy. So vitamins keep our body healthy. Our body usually needs very less amount of vitamins, but all the vitamins required by our body are very important for us. We need it in very less amount, but all are very important, like vitamins A, B complex, C, D, E. These are some of the vitamins which are required by our body. So all these vitamins we are getting from the food item, different food items, fruits and all, we are getting all the vitamins. But vitamin D is the only vitamin which is we are not getting from the food, we are making it in the presence of sunlight. Our body makes vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Therefore the vitamin D, that is called sunshine vitamin. Otherwise other vitamins we can get from fruits, vegetables, milks and cereals. Vitamins are also known as protective nutrients because they protect our body. They help to fight the diseases and keep our body healthy. That is why they are known as protective nutrients. So our body requires the vitamins A, B complex, C, D, E and K. These are the vitamins which are required by our body in a very less quantity, but all the vitamins are very important for our body. They are required in a very less amount, but all these are very important. So vitamin A, B complex, C, E, K vitamin. So all these vitamins we can get from different food items like fruits, vegetables, milks and cereals. Only vitamin D, this vitamin D we cannot get from the food items. In the presence of sunlight, our body make it in the presence of sunlight. So in the presence of sunlight, this vitamin D is made in our body. That is why it is called sunshine vitamin. This vitamin D is called sunshine vitamin. Since our body makes vitamin D in the presence of sunlight, it is called sunshine vitamin. Other vitamins like A, B complex, C, E, K we can get from the fruits, vegetables, milk and cereals. So since these vitamins are helping us to fight the disease and keeping us healthy, they are known as protective nutrients. So vitamins are known as protective nutrients. Next nutrient is our minerals. Like vitamins, minerals are also considered as protective nutrients because they are also important for keeping our body healthy. So like vitamins, they are also known as protective nutrients. So fresh vegetables, fruits, fish, egg, meat, milk, these are the rich sources of minerals. Calcium. Calcium is an important mineral that makes our bones and teeth strong. Our bones are very strong and our teeth are also very strong. So that is because of the mineral calcium. Calcium is making our bone and teeth very strong. Dairy products such as cheese, curd, or all these things are contain calcium. So calcium is a mineral that makes our bones and teeth strong. Dairy products, they contain calcium. Another mineral is iron. Another mineral is iron, which helps to make blood. Iron helps to make the blood. So iron helps to make blood. For example, we can take leafy vegetables, green leafy vegetables such as spinach, cabbage and fruits like apples and bananas. These are the rich sources of iron. Dairy products, these are the rich sources of calcium. So these are few important minerals that is needed by our body. And some other minerals are also there, that is potassium and sodium. This is also required by our body. So minerals also protect us, or minerals also help us to protect from the diseases and also that is why it is also known as protective nutrients. So we got 5 categories of nutrients, that is carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So here we can classify them as 3 categories, that is energy giving nutrient, body building nutrient and protective nutrient. So carbohydrate and fat, these are considered as energy giving nutrients. Protein is considered as body building nutrient. Vitamin and minerals are considered as protective nutrient. So along with this nutrient, we need water in sufficient amount. So we need water in sufficient amount to stay healthy along with these food items. So to stay healthy, our body needs sufficient amount of water, because water helps to digest the food and remove the waste from the body. It also helps to absorb the nutrients properly. So the body can absorb nutrients properly because of the water. About 60% of the human adult body, that is composed of water. But during daytime, sometimes some water is lost from the body every day, like in urine, in sweating. So some of water is lost from the body. So to replace that, we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day, because water is very important. So water is very important for the healthy life, because our body needs sufficient amount of water, because water helps to digest the food. It also helps to remove the waste and to absorb the nutrients properly. Water helps the body to absorb the nutrients properly. About 60% of human body is composed of water. Some of the water is lost from our body, like in case of urine, some sweating. So some of the water is lost from the body. So that to replace that, we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day, because water is a very important factor of our life, and we need sufficient amount of water to be healthy. Along with water, we also require little amount of rough phase for our body. So now we will discuss rough phase. So roughage is a fiber that is obtained from the plant food that we eat. So it is a fiber which can be obtained from the plant food. It cannot be digested, but it helps the body to get rid of undigested food. That means it is helping our body to get rid or to remove the undigested food. It cannot be digested. So we get roughage from leafy vegetables, salads, cereals, fresh fruits. So these are the sources of roughage, and it is very important for our body to get rid of undigested food. So roughage helps to get rid of undigested food, and it is obtained from the plant food that we eat. Some examples from which we get roughage: these are leafy vegetables, then fresh fruits we are eating salads, cereals, or these are providing roughage which is helping to get rid of undigested food. So now if we will consider that we got the nutrients, carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals. So an example, if you will think that in which you get all the nutrients in a proper amount, then you can take the example as milk. Milk is called a complete food because it is a good source of carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals and water. So all the nutrients, all the required nutrients of our body is present in milk, like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water. So that is why milk is called complete food. Milk is called complete food, and this is the reason newborn babies are given only milk for several months, because milk provides them everything, all the nutrients they require. So milk also makes the teeth strong. Infants and younger children need to drink milk in adequate quantity for the complete nutrition, because milk itself is a complete food. It provides and it contains all the nutrients. That is why infants and younger children, they should drink milk in adequate amount, so that they will get the complete nutrition. So this is the reason milk is considered as a complete food, because it contains all the required nutrients like carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamin, minerals and water. So that is why milk is considered as complete food, and it provides all the nutrients to the newborn babies along with the infants and the younger children. So all should drink adequate, they should drink, the younger children and the infants, they should drink milk in adequate amount, so that they can get the complete nutrition. So now we will discuss balanced diet. First of all, what is diet? The food that we eat every day, that is called diet. Every day we are eating food, that is our diet. Means how much quantity of food you are eating or what you are eating, that is called our diet, that food that we eat every day. So our diet must provide us all the necessary nutrients required by our body. And the balanced diet means the diet that contains all the nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals and roughage in correct amount. If a diet contains all the nutrients in a proper amount, then the diet is called balanced diet, because balanced diet is the source of energy and is also responsible for growth and development. So the food that we eat every day, that is called diet, and the diet, if it contains all the nutrients in proper amount, that is called balanced diet. So the diet that contains all the required nutrients in proper amount, that is called balanced diet. It is the source of energy and responsible for the growth and development. To stay healthy and safe, we should have balanced diet, and along with that we should do some regular exercise, because exercise keeps our body healthy. So along with the required nutrients, we should, along with the taking of required nutrients or the balanced diet, we should do some regular exercise. So regular exercise keeps the body fit, it makes the muscles strong. When we don't do the exercise or lack of exercise, we feel lazy. So a lack of exercise makes us lazy. So we should do exercise, otherwise we are becoming very overweight. This is why exercise and playing games are an important part of our life. So we should do some exercise, we should play for some time, we should do some physical activity, so that our body will be fit and it will make our muscles strong. So when we don't do the exercise, we become very lazy and overweight. So that is the reason we are getting overweight. That is why we should do the exercise, because lack of exercise makes us lazy. So we should do the regular exercise to keep our body healthy and fit. So along with this, read your book. Next class we will discuss about the cooking and preserving of